Introducing the Nokia 235 4G, reliable calling, FM radio.
If you're looking for a reliable feature phone with a classic design, long battery life, and modern connectivity, the 2027 Nokia 235 4G 2026 edition deserves your attention. Nokia continues its legacy of building durable phones, and this latest version combines nostalgia with useful modern features for everyday users. The Nokia 235 4G 2026 features a premium-looking body with a comfortable keypad that makes typing messages and dialing numbers quick and easy. The phone is lightweight, compact, and perfect for people who prefer physical buttons over touchscreens. Whether you're buying it as a primary device or a dependable backup phone, it offers a practical and user-friendly experience. One of the biggest highlights is its 4G Volt connectivity, which delivers clearer voice calls and faster network performance compared to older 2G feature phones. This makes it ideal for users who want stable communication without the distractions of a smartphone. The phone comes with a bright 2.8-inch display that offers clear visibility for reading messages, browsing menus, and enjoying simple games. While it isn't designed for HD videos or demanding apps, the screen is more than capable for daily use and basic entertainment. Battery life has always been one of Nokia's strongest advantages, and the 2026 Nokia 235 4G continues that tradition. With its removable battery and power-efficient software, users can expect several days of usage on a single charge, depending on usage habits. This makes it an excellent companion for travelers, students, workers, and senior citizens. The phone also includes a rear camera for capturing quick moments. Although it's not intended to compete with smartphone cameras, it is useful for basic photography whenever needed. Entertainment options are another strong point. The Nokia 235 4G supports wireless FM radio, allowing you to enjoy your favorite stations even without plugging in earphones. It also features an MP3 player, Bluetooth, USB Type-C charging, expandable storage via a micro SD card, and the classic Snake game that many Nokia fans remember with nostalgia. Performance is smooth thanks to its lightweight operating system, ensuring quick navigation through contacts, messages, music, and settings. Unlike smartphones that require frequent updates and consume significant battery power, this phone focuses on delivering a simple, stable, and dependable experience. The Nokia 235 4G 2026 is an excellent choice for students, elderly users, business professionals needing a secondary phone, or anyone looking to reduce screen time while staying connected. It combines classic Nokia durability with modern essentials like 4G support and USB Type-C, making it one of the most practical feature phones available. Final verdict. The 2027 Nokia 235 4G 2026 edition proves that simple phones still have an important place in today's world. With excellent battery life, solid build quality, clear call performance, wireless FM radio, and reliable 4G connectivity, it offers outstanding value for users who prioritize reliability over complexity. If you're searching for an affordable, dependable, and long-lasting feature phone, the Nokia 235 4G is definitely worth considering.